about okay. Thank you. Um, Ma'am, can I can't have basic knowledge of Python and cybersecurity, so this lecture is useful. Okay, thank. Okay, okay. Let's start the next one. Now coming to the next slide. Now coming to the next slide. That is AI in action. ML in either I'll use AI, ML, or DL or any terminology. You just consider that I'm speaking for a complete technologies. Okay. So because we are not using specifically AI, we are using either ML, either DL, NLP, computer vision, or anything. So related to these technologies only I'm talking. Okay. So AI will be in a action from parameters to finance. So machine learning cybersecurity solutions are being used successfully and implemented across several industries. So like we'll see one by one those things. The first one is Coden Pharma. This is a parametrial manufacturer implemented ML based security to protect valuable IP and research data. The results were remarkable, like 80% of reduction in security incident and detection of previously unknown threats targeting priority formulas. So in parametrial industry, what happened? Intellectual property is everything. What they will do? They will formalize formula, research data, clinical trial results are there. So what ML based security provided? They provided a research data protection. They have provided a IP threat prevention. They have also provided advanced threat detection capabilities that traditional system won't do that. They will do. I'm not saying they won't do. They will do, but it will take time as well as false positive will be more. So this Cordon Pharma have used ML technology and they have got uh, protection for research data, IP threat prevention, and APT threat detections. Now the next one is Goldman Bank, where which is the largest bank deployed in a Mongolia, and they have used ML based fraud detection which will analyze transaction pattern in real time. The impact was significant, 95% reduction in fraudulent transaction and estimated saving of 2.5 billion, not billion, it was 2.7 million dollar annually. So this much saving they have did by using a machine learning technology. The system was used real time fraud detection and pattern recognition algorithms they have used to identify suspicious transaction that occurs on day basis, not days later when they reviewed the log that they have find out those things also. This immediate detection prevention prevented the fraud before money leaves the system. So for banking sector also, these technologies are important. So now coming to the next slide, that is machine learning in action at global scale. So let's look at how technology implement machine learning or AI at massive scale to protect the billion of users. Okay, so first one is Google reCAPTCHA. This protects over 5 billion devices daily using ML to identify malicious website and bot activity. They're analyzing over 500 million suspicious URL weekly. Every time you click, like I'm not a robot, machine learning is working behind the scene. Means not only machine learning, anything okay related to AI. So it is working behind as a model. So it is checking whether the click is from a robot or a human. And like one more, I think you also know that Microsoft Defender, which will process over 8 trillion security signal daily across the Microsoft global infrastructure. Here also AI is, they are using AI to detect and respond threat in real time. That is a 8 trillion data point every single day being analyzed for threat indicators. So here in Microsoft Defender, I think everyone knows, no need of any explanation for that. So now the next one is Meta AI protection, which analyze billion of interactions to identify coordinated inauthentic behavior and account compromises item across its platform. This includes detecting fake accounts, bot network, and coordinated misinformation campaigns. So these are the example which demonstrate that AI is not just for specialized security campaign. It is also becoming the foundation of security at internal stage also. Now, the next slide is common theme for successful ML implementation. Across all the case study, we have examined that several key factors consistently contributing to successful machine learning implementation. So, like suppose you want to build a best model. So, what things are required in order to get a best model? So what you have to do, you have to remember at least these four key points. The first one is quality training data. So already from session 1 to session 2, I have already told you that quality training data is very important. Quality data is very important for model building. So like comprehensive, diverse, and well labeled data sets are essential for model accuracy. And if it is a supervised learning, label data is important. If it is unsupervised learning, then label data is not required. The organization must invest in data curation and validation process, because if your data is not correct, model will also do a prediction in such a way only. So now the next point is continuous learning should be there. Like in a gap of particular timing, you have to retrain your model back to back. Okay, like system can adapt and improve over a time as they process new data and receive feedback from security analysis. And evolving threat landscapes are most effective. Okay, like ML models are not set and forget. They need continuous refinement. Means every time you need to retrain your model so that they are updated with a real time world. So it's not like daily you have to train your model. At least within a gap, like suppose every 6 months you can do. Okay. So now the next one is human AI collaboration. ML systems work best when augmenting human analysis rather than replacing them. So combining AI speed with human expertise, it will be a good process. The most successful implementation have security analysts working with alongside with AI systems. Okay, so it's not like you have to remove everything, whatever is there. You have to use the traditional technologies uh, as well as you have to add AI to complement these defense systems. Okay. So now the next one is integration capability. Seamless connection with existing security infrastructure and workflow ensure maximum effectiveness and minimal operation disruption. So ML solution must fit into your existing ecosystem. Then only it will work and it will provide a fruitful solutions. So at the end, I'll conclude that it requires balancing technical innovation with practical implementation, considering an organization readiness. So this is about session 2. Now we'll see the now I'll take the questions from the chat box. 1 minute, I think. Hmm.
Thank
So
you.
I hope you are clear with
नहीं बेच
session
सकता
1 and session 2. For session 3, I will explain what is machine learning, what are the approaches in machine learning, how we have to implement those,
आपको
and
सर्टिफिकेट चाहिए
on which
हमें इन सब के ज्ञान
scenario
से थोड़ी
what things we
मतलब
have to use.
मैं तो ज्वाइन किया और रिकॉर्ड करने के लिए
So that will be covered in session 3.
तुम लोगों को थोड़ा बताया
Now let's take questions
भाई
from
तेरी
the
बात मान ये
users,
बता दिया करना
participants.
ज्वाइन कर लिया है
If you have any questions, please ask.
वहां से कनेक्शन आएगा तेरा
We'll take 10 minutes break.
मेरे को है क्या फ्लैग से आए
So 11:40, I'll start the 11:45. I'll start the session 3. So let's see if till that take the questions from the participants. So Saptaparna is asking for self-learning model. How